I'm Mel. I'm an illustrator, artist and teacher living in Nottingham in the UK. Drawing and being creative are part of my job, which I absolutely love, but I've found that when life gets really busy and there's just no time to create just for me, it really negatively impacts on how I feel. During a particularly challenging period in my life, I started doodling and drawing patterns as a low-pressure, fun way of experimenting with drawing and mark making, which I could squeeze into just a few minutes each day. Not only did I find this daily practice opened up new ideas for me creatively, but I became a little addicted to the feelings of calm it brought, as I was able to completely get lost in the meditative process of drawing repeated shapes and marks. I want to share this with you because it's a practice which just has so many benefits, and it's accessible to absolutely anyone. And I really do mean anyone, whether you work in the creative industries or you haven't drawn since you were a kid. This class is for you. I've come up with 14 days of prompts for us to work through together, using materials you'll already have at home, basic shapes and simple exercises. In just a few minutes each day, we'll develop a daily pattern drawing practice which cultivates mindfulness through drawing patterns and creates a quiet space in our busy lives. By the end of the class, you'll have 14 beautiful pattern drawings which will act as a blueprint to develop your pattern drawing practice should you want to continue it beyond the 14 days, as well as a toolkit of mindful drawing exercises that you can return to whenever you need to restore some calm in your life. So if you're ready, let's get started.